Looking for a comforter that combines softness, durability, and a splash of magic for your child's bedroom? The Heritage Club Magical Unicorn Comforter Set promises just that. Crafted from ultra-soft microfiber, this comforter offers a lightweight, fluffy feel that keeps your child cozy through every season. Whether it's a warm summer night or a chilly winter evening, this comforter adapts perfectly, delivering comfort without overheating or weighing them down. What makes this set stand out is its thoughtful design and lasting quality. The comforter features box and channel stitching to keep the fill evenly distributed, so no more clumps or cold spots. Plus, it's fade-resistant and wrinkle-resistant, holding up beautifully through countless washes. Parents will appreciate the easy care microfiber fabric that's machine washable on a gentle cycle with cold water. Simply air dry or tumble dry low to keep it looking fresh. The vibrant colors won't fade, ensuring your child's room stays bright and cheerful. Beyond performance, the Magical Unicorn Comforter Set sparks imagination. The reversible comforter showcases a dreamy pink unicorn surrounded by a floral bouquet on one side and a solid purple on the other, giving you style flexibility. The coordinating sham features a star-speckled rainbow with the uplifting phrase, "Just believe," adding a whimsical touch that kids adore. Available in twin and full sizes, this set fits standard beds and blends effortlessly with traditional, contemporary, or modern decor. One satisfied customer shared how the comforter's lilac tone perfectly matched their bedroom theme, something they couldn't find elsewhere. Their kids absolutely love the softness and the vibrant design, making it a standout addition to their rooms. This feedback highlights exactly what you get: a high-quality, kid-friendly comforter that's both functional and fun. If you're ready to upgrade your child's bedding with something soft, durable, and full of charm, the Heritage Club Magical Unicorn Comforter Set is worth a look. It delivers what matters most: comfort, style, and easy maintenance, without compromise. Try it when you're ready to bring a little magic into bedtime.